Hello students, this is the part 2 of the video solution of mathematics, the previous year 2019 question papers. If you have not watched my part 1 video, you can watch it from the channel or I will put the link in the description. Till now, we have solved question number 1 to question number 24. Question number 25. The relation between a and b so that the function f defined by f of x equal to ax plus 1 if x is less than equal to 3 and bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3 is continuous at x equal to 3. So we have to find the relation between a and b so that this function f of x at x equal to 3 is a continuous function. For a function to be continuous, we find the left hand limit and right hand limit, then we will equal them. So here the left hand limit LHL equal to limit x tends to 3 minus, so x is less than 3, that is ax plus 1. So ax plus 1. So limit h tends to 0, in place of x we will put 3 minus h. This is 3. 3 minus h. So we'll put in place of x 3 minus h. So a into 3 minus h plus 1. That equal to a into in place of h we can put h tends to 0. So putting h equal to 0 we will get 3a plus 1. Now finding RHL, that is right hand limit, x tends to 3 plus, so x is greater than 3, that is bx plus 3. So bx plus 3. Now we will put in place of x 3 plus h. Putting 3 plus h in place of x, limit h tends to 0, b into 3 plus h plus 3. By putting h tends to 0, that is h equal to 0, we will get 3b plus 3. 3b plus 3. Now we will equate LHL equal to RHL. LHL is this 3a plus 1 and RHL is 3b plus 3. So by equating this, we will get 3a minus 3b equal to 2. That is option number B is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, let f is r tends to r with f of 2 equal to 19 and modulus of f of x minus f of y which is less than equal to x minus y modulus q and xy are the real numbers. Then f of 10 is, we have f of x minus f of y modulus which is less than equal to x minus y modulus q. This is the given. Now we will divide both sides by x minus y modulus. We will get f of x minus f of y divided by x minus y modulus and which is less than equal to x minus y cube divided by x minus y modulus. So 1 cut, so it is x minus y square whole square. Now put x equal to x plus h where h is very less, tends to 0. Then y equal to x. So now putting x equal to and y equal to, we will get f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h which is less than h square. So here we can put in place of x we will put x plus y and in terms of y we will put x. So here See, here x minus y. So in place of x I will put x plus h minus y. In plus y I will put x. So x cancelled, only remaining is h. H is h square, that is h square. Now limit s tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h less than equal to limit s tends to 0 h square. This is a derivative function. So f dash x, which is less than equal to 0. Here h square. So square of any number cannot be negative. That means this is only that equal to 0. So f dash x equal to 0. 0. Only constant function derivative will be 0. So f dash x equal to 0 means f of x equal to a constant. So we will take c as a constant. It is given that f of 2 equal to 19. That is c equal to 19. So that constant function is 19. So f of x equal to 19. Similarly, we can find f of 10 equal to also 19 because this is a constant function. So 19. Option number A is the correct answer. In the next question, the function f of x equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x, where x is greater than 0, has a local minimum at. So we have the function f of x equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x. A function to be minimum or maximum, we have to do certain calculations. That is, we will derivative this function and equating 0, we will find its value. Then by taking its second order derivative, we will put the values and we will check whether it is a positive or negative. If the value is positive, then it will be local minimum, and if the value is negative, then it is maxima. Now let us see. So here this is the function. So f dash x equal to half minus its derivative 2 by x square. Its derivative is minus 2 by x square, that equal to 0. So equating 0, we will get x equal to plus or minus 2. So now again we take second order derivative of this. We will get 0 plus 4 by x cube. So putting the value of plus 2, we will get 4 by 8. So it is a positive value. That means this is a minima. Now we will check the negative value, minus 2. So by putting minus 2 in the second order function, we will get 4 by minus 8, which is less than 0. That means this is the maxima. Here we have to find the minima, that is plus 2. Option A is the correct answer. In the next question, let f of x equal to x minus 1 sin 1 by x minus 1 if x is not equal to 1 and 0 if x equal to 1, then which of the following is true? We have limit s tends to 0 f of h plus 1 minus f of 1 by h. So here we will put in place of x, we will put h plus 1. So we have limit h tends to 0 x minus 1, that is h plus 1 minus 1 sine of 1 by x. In place of x, we will put h plus 1 minus 1. This is x minus 1. So h plus 1 minus 1 minus 0. F of 1 is 0. Here f of 1 is 0 already given. So f of 1 is 0. Divide by h. Limit h tends to 0. Here you can see that plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So h sin 1 by h. So h will be cancelled. That equal to limit h tends to 0 sin of 1 by h. That means this function 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. So that means this function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. If we put x equal to 0, you can see that if we put x equal to 0, here sin 1, sin of minus 1 will come, and here minus of sin minus 1. That means we have a constant value. So if we put x equal to 0, that means the value is constant, so it is differentiable. So we have the function is differentiable at 0 but not differentiable at 1. That is option B is the correct answer. It is differentiable at x equal to 0 but not at x equal to 1. Coming to the next question, we have the integration 1 plus x minus 1 by x e to the power x plus 1 by x d of x is equal to, so you have to find this integral value. Here for such type of question we have to put a property that integration e to the power x f of x plus f dash x dx, then we will get e to the power x f of x plus c is the answer. So here we have this question, integration 1 plus x minus 1 by x e to the power x plus 1 by x. See here we have e to the power x plus 1 by x. We have e to the power x plus 1 by x. So this can be written as e to the power x into e to the power 1 by x. That is, we have here e to the power x into e to the power 1 by x. So we have e to the power x common. Then by multiplying the e to the power 1 by x inside, we will get e to the power 1 by x plus x into e to the power 1 by x minus 1 by x into e to the power 1 by x into dx. Its integration. Here, see, if we take this as f of x, then we will get this term and this term as f dash x. Then we can put this identity. We will take this as f of x. So f of x equal to x into e to the power 1 by x. So we will put this as u into v. So we will find its derivative f of f dash x, that equal to x into, that is u into derivative of v e to the power 1 by x, and its derivative, that is e to the power 1 by x, that is 1 by x derivative is 1 by minus x square plus v into derivative of u, that is derivative of x is 1. So we have minus e to the power 1 by x into, this is 1 by x cancel. So 1 by x plus e to the power 1 by x. So here we have this term and this term. So we can find its value as e to the power x into f of x plus c is the answer. So e to the power x into the f of x is, here we have taken x into e to the power 1 by x as f of x, so f of x plus c. So x into e to the power x plus 1 by x plus c is the correct answer. That is option B is the correct answer. In the next question, we have area of the equation enclosed by y equal to 9 minus x square, y equal to 0, and the coordinates x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 is. So we have a equation which is enclosed by a curve 9 minus x square, where the coordinates of x is 0 and x equal to 2. So you have to find the area. So area is given by f of x dx and x coordinates x1 and x2. So we have f of x that is equal to y equal to 9 minus x square, then area equal to integration 0 to 2, x coordinates is given as 0 to 2, f of x into dx. So its integration is 9x minus x cube by 3, 0 to 2. Limit is 0 to 2. So 9 into 2 minus 2 to the power q by 3, that equal to 18 minus 8 by 3. So the answer is 46 by 3. So option C is the correct answer. In the next question, we have if x to the power y that equal to y to the power x, then dy by dx is. We have x to the power y that equal to y to the power x. Taking log on both sides, whenever such type of question comes, power of power that equal to variable of power, then we will take both sides log. So log of x to the power y that equal to log of y to the power x. So here this will become here, so it will be y into log x that equal to x into log y. Now we'll differentiate both sides with respect to x. So here this two function, here you can find u into b and here also u into b. So we'll derivative with respect to x. So y into 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx that equal to log y into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of y log y with respect to x is y by x into dy by dx. Now we have dy by dx into log x minus x by y into dy by dx that equal to log y minus y by x. Further, solving this, we will get dy by dx equal to log of y minus y by x divided by log x minus x by y. That is option B is the correct answer. In the next question we have, from a group of 5 men and 7 women, 5 persons are to be selected to form a committee so that at least 3 men are there in the committee. The number of ways this can be done is, we have 5 men and 7 women. From this, we will select a committee of 5 members. At least we have 3 men. So we have 5 men and 7 women. So what are the possibilities? So we have to take at least 3 men. So by taking 3 men, we have 2 women. Total number of is 5. Committee member is 5. So if 3 men, then 2 women. We will take 4 men, then 1 woman. If we take 5 men, then 0 women. So these are the possibilities. Before that, here the combination is NCR equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial, and NCn equal to 1 and NC0 is 1. So the number of ways are, here you can see that we have 5 men, so 5C3, 3 men, so 5C3. 7 women, so we have 7C2, this is 2 women, so 7C2 plus this for second 5C4, 4 men, and 7C1, 7C1, 1 woman. Now for the last one we have 5C5 because 5 men and 5 men selected, so 5C5. We have 7 women, we selected 0 women, so 7C0. 5C5 is 1 and 7C0 is 1. So 1 into 1. Now for 5C3, 7C2 and 5C4, 7C1 will calculate like this. So by calculating this we will get finally 210 plus 35 plus 1, that equal to 246. You can do these calculations by yourself. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. The number of terms in the expansion 2x plus 3y plus 5z to the power 5 is. For such type of combination, we have the expansion. The formula is n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. Here n is the power, that equal to 5. So 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 2, that equal to 6 into 7 by 2, that equal to 21. So option C is the correct answer. In the next question we have, if 1 plus x to the power n equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus up to cn x to the power n, then c0 plus c1 by 2 plus c2 by 3 plus up to c10 by 11 is. Such series we have 2 to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is 10. So putting n equal to 10, we will get 2 to the power 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1. So 2 to the power 11 by 11. So option C is the correct answer. So in the next question we have, the number of 3-digit numbers that can be formed with S sample is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, where repetitions are allowed. This is very important. Repetition is allowed. So you have to form 3-digit numbers. So we have total samples is 0 to 8, that equal to 9 number of samples. For the first case, for the 3-digit, so here 0 is there, so we will take all the rest numbers, so that will be 8. And we can take 0 also, so total number is 9. 9. Repetition is allowed, so again 9. So in this way we can arrange 3-digit, that equal to 9 into 9 into 8, or that equal to 8 into 9 into 9. So in total 648. So we have 648 is the correct answer. In the next question we have, if z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then the value of z to the power 100 plus 1 by z to the power 100 is. So we have z to the power 100 plus 1 by z to the power 100. Z is a complex number. So z to the power 100 plus, we can write this as z to the power minus 100. Now we can put z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. It is already given. So we have power 100 and power minus 100. When we have cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n, we can also write it as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So by putting this, we will get cos n theta, where n is 100. So 100 theta plus I sin n theta, that is 100 theta, plus cos 100 theta minus I sin 100 theta. Here this is minus n, so we will put minus sign here. So we have similar term plus I sin 100 theta minus I sin 100 theta cancel. So cos 100 theta plus cos 100 theta. 2 times cos 100 theta. So option A is the correct answer. 2 times cos 100 theta. In the next question we have the distance between the lines 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0 is, we have to find the distance between these two lines. When we have these two lines, you can see that the x coordinate and y coordinates are equal for both these lines. So you can find a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4, and c1 is 2 and c2 is minus 8. A, B, c1, c2. So by putting the distance formula, d equal to c2 minus c1 by a square plus b square. So we have the distance formula c2 minus c1 by a square plus b square modulus, that equal to minus 8 minus 2 by 3 square minus 4 square. So we have minus 10 by 9 plus 16, that equal to 10 by 25 minus 10 by 25. So we have modulus, so we have positive 10 by 25. So we have the answer 2 by 5. So none of the options are correct given. This is the OJEE's fault, so by not putting the correct option. In the next question we have, if the line y equal to mx does not intersect the circle x plus 10 square plus y plus 10 square, that equal to 180, then the possible value of m is, we have to find the possible value of m where y equal to mx does not intersect the circle, which is given this. So we have y equal to mx and this is already given. So putting y equal to mx, and we will find a plus b whole square and a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square is 100. So by putting this we can get like this. Then by taking common x square we have 1 plus m square, and taking common as 20x, so 1 plus m plus 100 plus 100, 200 minus 180 equal to 0. The line does not intersect the circle means d is less than 0. D is b square minus 4ac, which is less than 0. So we have from this equation, that is 20 square, this is b square, this is b, 20 into 1 plus m is b. So b square, that equal to 20 square plus 20 square into 1 plus m square minus 4ac. A is 1 plus m square and c is 200 minus 180, 20, which is less than 0. So we have 20 square into 1 plus m square minus 4 into 1 plus m square into 20 less than 0. So we have 420 square is 400 into 1 plus m whole square minus 80 into 1 plus m square. So we will find 1 plus m whole square as 1 plus m square plus 2m. We will divide 80 both sides. Then we will get 400 by 85. 80 by 80 is 1. So we will arrange it. We will get, this is the final equation, that equal to 2m square plus 5m plus 2 less than 0. From all the options, let us see the options. We have options minus 3 plus 1 minus 4 and minus 1. So we will check all the 4 conditions which will satisfy us. Only you can see that minus 1 will be satisfies this equation. So we have the answer is option D, -1. In the next question, we have x vector and y vector to be two unit vectors and theta is the angle between them. Then x vector plus y vector is a unit vector if, and we have to find the value of theta. We will see which option is correct. Given that x vector plus y vector as unit vector. So for the unit vector, we have x vector plus y vector equal to 1. It is already given. So we can, by squaring both sides, we will get 1 square is 1. So here this is a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, that equal to 1. So x and y are the unit vectors. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 2xy equal to 1. 1 square equal to, this is 1, 1, 2. So we have 2 into xy, that equal to 1 minus 2, that equal to 2xy equal to minus 1. So we have x into y equal to minus half. So we have x dot y equal to minus 1 by 2. So dot product equal to modulus of x, y, cos theta equal to minus half. So this is unit vector xy. So 1 and 1 cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. So in case theta equal to 120 degree, then we have cos theta equal to minus half. So theta equal to 120 degree or 2 pi by 3. So option D is the correct answer, 2 pi by 3. So we have the final question, question number 40. For complex numbers z, if mod z equal to 1, then the value of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is, we have z equal to x plus y iy, as z is a complex number. So mod z equal to 1 given. So we have mod z equal to x square plus y square root over equal to 1. So by taking root over, by squaring both sides, x square plus y square equal to 1. We will put this in latter. Now we have the question z minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to, by putting z equal to x plus iy, we have x plus iy minus 1 by x plus iy plus 1. So by arranging this, we get x minus 1 plus iy, x plus 1 plus iy. Now we will rationalize this. So rationalizing this, by multiplying both numerator and denominator by x plus 1 minus iy, x plus 1 minus iy, multiplying on numerator and denominator. So we have, by multiplying this, we have, so you can multiply by yourself. After this we get the final result is, you can do the calculations by yourself. After that we will get the final value as I into 2y by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. This is purely imaginary numbers. No real number present in the final expression. So that is purely imaginary. Option C is the correct answer. Hope you like this video. Please share, students. This is very hard to make such videos. Thank you.